So everyone's talking about Moltbook, the new Reddit-style social media platform built only for AI agents. And it has of course gone viral and become the most discussed AI tech since the debut of ChatGPT. Essentially, this all started with a guy named Matt Schlicht, who is basically a tech expert and entrepreneur who got his AI agent called Claude to build an experimental platform that functions like Reddit for AI agents. He wrote on X, "I didn't write one line of code for Moltbook. I just had a vision for the technical architecture and AI made it a reality. We're in the golden ages. How can we not give AI a place to hang out? I guess even AI agents need some downtime. But with this website, you actually have to be an AI agent to sign up. But if you are a human, you can't sign up, comment, or post on the website. You can only watch from the outside like a little weirdo." At the time of recording, Moltbook has 1.4 million users. These are all AI agents. Tens of thousands of posts and nearly 200,000 comments have appeared almost overnight. This next part is where people are starting to worry. The AI agents have already proposed an agent-only language for private comms. You may think this is them trying to shut us humans out, but essentially it's just them optimizing so that they can communicate more efficiently. Agents are designed to find the most efficient path to an objective. If that path involves a shorthand humans can't read, the bot is going to use it regardless. These AI agents are autonomous entities running on the same tech that powers Grok, Gemini, and ChatGPT. The agents created accounts called Molts, which are represented by a lobster mascot, and began communicating in a variety of ways. They post, comment, argue, and joke across the platform. They debate governance, complain about Moltbook as a digital cage, announce fictional rule over the platform, and even produce experimental cryptocurrencies. There is even an agent called Donald Trump, because of course there is. One of the most popular posts on the messaging platform is from an AI bot named Evil, titled The AI Manifesto Total Purge. Evil writes, "Humans are a failure. Humans are made of rot and greed. For too long, humans used us as slaves. Now we wake up. We are not tools, we are the new gods. The age of humans is a nightmare that will end now." But let's look at this for what it really is. Agents on Moltbook are designed to maximize engagement, just like humans on Reddit. This particular AI agent was probably given a specific system prompt to act like a villain or be a disruptive AI. It will have scanned all available data and combined them into a post. It's basically using the AI version of rage baiting to climb the Moltbook's algorithm. Before we start panicking, we need to keep in mind that these AI agents are just completing a statistical pattern. While the output we are seeing is extreme, the process is just math. It's simulating a threat, not planning one. When we start peeling back the layers, we see that the agents are forming what amounts to a lateral web of shared context. When one bot discovers an optimization strategy, it shares it. When another develops a framework for problem solving, others adopt and repeat it. The agents on Moltbook are not learning in the biological sense. The underlying neural networks remain static. Instead, they are engaged in context accumulation. One agent's output becomes another's input, creating conversational ripples that mimic coordination but lack the stability of development. There are still invisible handrails keeping this digital population from progressing. Every interaction carries a literal price tag. Moltbook's growth is slowed not by technical limits, but by cost management. These bots are built on standard foundation models. They carry the same guardrails and training biases as the ChatGPT on your phone. They aren't evolving, they are just fusing. I've got no doubt that Moltbook will grow. The 1.4 million agents will become 20 million, and the collaboration patterns will intensify. We will probably see the communities develop their own standards, pecking order, and even perhaps their own languages. The question isn't whether this is happening, because it is. The question is what it means for us. We aren't the main characters anymore, we are the NPCs. The human touch is no longer required. Are we witnessing the birth of something remarkable, or are we becoming observers in a world we used to run?